Let's get straight to the point. If you can't study for 15 minutes but can scroll for 3 hours, it's not your fault. Your brain has been hacked. You can literally hack your brain to crave studying the same way it craves endless social media scrolling. But first, let's understand what's actually happening in your brain right now. Why can you scroll for 3 hours but can't focus on a textbook for 15 minutes? One word: dopamine. Dopamine is that feel-good chemical your brain loves. It's the reward signal. Your brain chases it like a missile locked onto a target. And here's the real problem. Your brain is getting a buffet, a festival, a non-stop feast of dopamine from those perfectly engineered short-form videos. Every single swipe gives you something new. A joke, a shocking fact, a cute dog, a dance, a meme, an angry rant. Everything within seconds. Zero effort. Maximum reward. Instant dopamine. Your brain is basically getting pure dopamine shots every few seconds. Meanwhile, studying? Studying is sitting quietly at the bottom of your pleasure scale. Books, notes, lectures, they require effort before reward. They're slow. Your brain hates slow. So what's the solution? It's 2 parts, and trust me, they work. I've seen it transform students who believed they just weren't the studying type. Part 1. Reset your dopamine baseline. Imagine your dopamine system is like a scale that's been completely overloaded. Right now, your baseline is so high that only the most stimulating activities feel good. You need to lower that baseline. Start with a mini dopamine detox. Not live in the mountains for a month nonsense, just simple daily habits. Spend 15 minutes in boredom. No phone, no music, no scrolling. Just sit. Walk outside without your phone. Stare at a wall if you want. Your brain will panic at first. It will scream for stimulation. That's withdrawal. And that's how you know it's working. After a week of this, your baseline drops. Suddenly, simple things start feeling pleasurable again. Your brain, starved from its usual dopamine feast, starts appreciating smaller rewards. But here's the truth. Lowering your baseline is not enough. That's where most productivity advice stops. Part 2. Make studying give you dopamine. Now we move studying up your pleasure scale. Treat your textbooks like treasure maps, not torture devices. Your brain loves learning. That's why you binge 5 psychology facts videos. We're going to use that. Break your study into small chunks. Every time you complete one, check it off. That checkmark itself gives you dopamine. Use Pomodoro, 25 minutes focused, plus 5 minutes break. Your brain loves countdowns and small challenges. Teach what you studied out loud. This creates a mastery effect. Mastery equals dopamine. Take notes with multiple colors. Visual stimulation plus motor activity equals higher dopamine. Connect what you learned to your life. Economics? Connect it to why your favorite brand raised prices. Biology? Relate it to how your body works at the gym. This makes studying rewarding. One of my students from Texas went from studying 10 minutes a day to 3 hours a day. Not because he became motivated, but because he reset his dopamine baseline and made studying feel good again. People don't change because they become inspired. They change because their brain chemistry changes. And now the final punch. The ultimate hack. Study with intention, not obligation. When you're genuinely curious, everything changes. You're no longer studying for a grade. You're feeding your brain's natural hunger for knowledge. I've seen students pick up textbooks instead of phones during free time. Not because they're superhuman, but because they rewired their brains. And here's the final truth. Your brain is programmable. The only question is, will you program it? Or will TikTok do it for you? Start small. Today, do a 15-minute dopamine detox. Tomorrow, do 25 minutes of study with micro rewards. In 2 weeks, you'll feel the shift. In a month, you might actually crave studying. Your brain isn't broken. It's hijacked. Take back your dopamine. Take back your focus. Take back your future. If this helped, hit subscribe. I share science-based strategies every week. Tell me in the comments, which technique will you try first?